Hey guys, Charlotte here from Server Factory. Today we have the most exciting video for you. We will be discussing the newest entry into Toshiba's MG series of hard drives, as well as presenting the most amazing giveaway thanks to our friends over at Toshiba. Keep watching to find out more. With the need for increased digital storage ever growing, companies are battling to bring out bigger and better drives. We have partnered with Toshiba for this video about their new 18 terabyte hard drive. In their flagship MG09 line. Before we get into that, we have several new branded Toshiba gaming chairs to give away in this video, courtesy of the great people over at Maxnomic. They have a wide range of chairs available which are all super comfortable and very high quality, which our competition winners will soon find out. Keep watching till the end to find out everything you need to know about getting your hands on one of these exclusive pieces. So, what do we know about Toshiba's new 18 terabyte drives? The new hard drives, much like the rest of the MG09 line, use Toshiba's helium-sealed 9-disc design. The discs use CMR, also known as PMR technology, which is the industry standard for great reliability and performance. This is worth pointing out as most high-capacity drives use SMR technology, which is objectively worse as the tracks that record the data are closer together. It's also interesting to note that these drives are the first to use a new technology called FCMAMR. This takes the existing MAMR technology and adds in a flux control component to stabilize this and increase the density of the drive. These discs run at 7,200 RPM.
He's fast. He's really fast.
And utilize the standard 3.5-inch form factor like most high-capacity drives. As you'd expect, they have a formatted capacity of 18 terabytes and a buffer capacity of 512 megabytes. Both SATA and SAS 3.0 models are available, meaning you have more options when it comes to use depending on what type of server you're running. By using SAS, this allows you to have up to 12 gigabytes per second interface speed, utilizing its faster and more reliable performance, while still achieving an impressive 6 gigabytes per second with SATA. The demand for higher capacity drives is always increasing, and to be able to have more storage capacity without compromising performance is extremely important. The drive has a sequential data transfer rate of 281 megabytes per second, which is a strong level of performance considering the capacity. We're really excited to get our hands on these drives and begin using them. So, what do you think to Toshiba's new 18 terabyte drives? Will you be using them? Let us know below in the comments. Thanks for watching this far. Now for the giveaway.
So excited!
We have several of these incredible custom Maxnomic Pro Chief gaming and office chairs up for grabs in this video, thanks to our friends over at Toshiba.
Add it up.
To enter, click the link in the description down below and follow the instructions. You can enter multiple times by completing different actions, such as visiting our website or retweeting our Twitter posts. The winners will be announced across our social media platforms on the 1st of August, so make sure you're following us to keep updated. As always, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel if you liked this video. Also, make sure you turn on the bell to be notified every time we post. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.